What's going on today, Bright Gang? How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping back by. Today we're diving into something that I was hoping I would not have to deal with this soon. If you guys remember, recently I've been having some issues with my rear end. What's new? It seems like issues with this truck have just been one on top of the other on top of the other. Don't get me wrong, it's a great truck, I love it, but sometimes I really get frustrated with it and I want to sell it. But I mean, that's definitely part of owning a lifted truck. So I'm over here with the guys at EXZACT Window Tinting, just hanging out for the day, or hanging out for the afternoon. I just got off work, but I did find out what is wrong with the rear end. So if you guys want to find out what's wrong with the rear end and why you should not get 14 wides, stay tuned.
That's what I'm talking about.
So I'm sure you guys are wondering, you know, what's going on, what have you found out? And this is it. I'm just gonna jump right in. I'm gonna jump right into it. We're gonna get through with the bad news, and then we're gonna go see what Zach's got going on in the shop. He's got some pretty cool vehicles over here today, and we're gonna go have some fun in the shop with him. So, point of the video today, one, my rear end, right there, having some issues. To give you guys a little bit of a backstory, for the past couple of weeks I've been having a high-pitched hum come from the rear end. Now I thought it was one of the wheel bearings back here in the rear axle, which it very well could be. We haven't taken it apart and figured it out exactly, but I did find out today potentially. Hello.
What's up, man?
What are you doing?
Oh, you know, just creeping around.
Creeping? You being weird? So we did find out today that it potentially could be one of the carrier bearings as well, which is something I'm not very excited about because that really skyrockets the price of the repair that we're gonna have to deal with soon, and I do not want to deal with that, but really have no choice. So I don't really know how long I can ride on it like this, but we're definitely gonna find out because I don't feel like paying, you know, close to $1,000 to get this fixed right now, but I might end up having to just go ahead and get it done. I really don't know. One thing I do know is I'm gonna have to answer the phone real quick before we get back into the video. Or not both. Yeah, I got it. We'll get it figured out.
A few moments later.
Sorry, Dad was calling me. You guys know Dad. Dad's been on the channel before. So I mean, that's where we're at right now. 14 wides have been the demise of my truck. It seems like. Are we gonna focus back in? Or there we go. They've really made the truck what it is, and I'm so close. I'm so close. I'm tired of dealing with it. But that's the point of the video today. I wanted to make a video for you guys so you guys can understand kind of some of the issues and some of the things I deal with while having a truck with 14 wides and 375s and all of that amazing stuff. Amazing. But I'm done with the negativity of the video. We're gonna jump into something a little more fun. We're over here at ZACKS, EXZACT Window Tinting. Link is in the description below. If you need any tint, anything like that, any tint, vinyl wrapping, all that great stuff, hit up the link in the description below, located in Atlanta. Hit him up. He's a great guy. Hit him up. They just started a new YouTube channel, and you guys need to check out that YouTube channel. That will be linked in the top of the description below. The Street Life of Zach and Cody. His first video is up now, so make sure you hit the link in the description. Go check out his YouTube, subscribe, like his newest video, his very first video. It's actually very solid for being somebody's first video, a lot better than my first video was. We're gonna have a little fun over here at the shop today. There's some cool cars that I wanna show you guys. I'm sure most of you guys know that Zach has always had some cool cars at his place. He's always doing something fun at his shop. But today he has a very cool, he's got a crazy lineup of cars at his shop right now. And I want to give you guys a little bit of a walk around of his shop today and what he's got going on. So obviously you guys know the Nissan Silvia. He's got his little drift car over here. He just tinted the taillights on this one actually. He's going to be filming, by the way, he's going to be filming different things with all of these vehicles on his YouTube channel. So make sure you guys hit that link in the description and check him out. But we're gonna do a quick little walk around. Obviously you guys know the drift car, you've seen that before. He's got a CRV sitting over here, which actually is now the mobile. Look at that hair right there. Look at that guy, he's cute. Look at this thing. Yes, this is my favorite. Look right here. Got the U-Haul, chilling with the U-Haul in the shop right now. Man, that's pretty cool. Got the U-Haul, is it open? Look, it's open. Look, so much room for activities in here. Hello! Got wheels and a fender over there and all kinds of crap in here. All right, on to the next one. Got the trailer Trailer goes with the U-Haul, obviously. This is his newest pickup. Zach, what kind of car is this?
Same thing as the 240 SX, but
Nissan 240 SX that has no front to it.
yeah,
Apparently.
I've had it for about like a year and a half, but it's just been sitting at the house. I actually had a 2JZ motor for it. It wasn't fully built, but it was rebuilt with all OEM internals and stuff. And I pretty much cut everything, the whole front end. And we're gonna, weld everything together and tube it. And tub it. Tube and tub.
Tube and tub?
Tube and tub.
That sounds nice.
Yeah.
And then if you guys haven't seen his first video, again, I'll plug in one more time. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out the first video. Cody just got this car for his birthday. Freaking awesome. I'm really excited to go drifting with these guys one day. That's what they do. They go drifting a lot. So expect some drifting videos in the future. And then last, but definitely not least, I don't even know what kind of car this is. I know it's a Scion, but Scion FRS with a wide body kit. It's getting wrapped up here by All In Cars. One of the coolest things about this, one, it's red. You guys know I love red so much. But look how freaking wide this thing is. Look on a car. On a car. Let me give you guys some reference here. That's my hand on here. How freaking wide this. I don't think I've ever seen a car this wide before. Look. You've got some good dish. That's, look at the width on the, holy crap. That's my hand. Gosh. That's about as, I don't want to say it's as deep as mine, but that's a wide freaking car. Did they just put the wide body kit on it?
We actually just took everything off just so it can get wrapped up properly.
Oh wow, yeah.
But yeah,
well, I mean, look, I mean, okay, so it's normally wider than this. All the pieces are sitting over here. Okay, well, it makes sense now. I was gonna say this car is really freaking wide for what it is, but all the wide body pieces are actually sitting over here, so that makes a lot more sense. Okay. Yeah, they've got some pretty amazing stuff up here right now, but I'm gonna wrap it up. You guys need to know 14 wides eventually, as you guys can see, they're gonna do some damage to your vehicle. It's just whether or not you're willing to deal with that damage and move past the struggle of having a truck with 14 wides or 16 wides. This, honestly, this can happen with 12 wides too. So, I mean, but that's just part of the struggle that we go through having 14 wides. And I want to keep you guys updated with what's going on with the truck at all times. So I thank you guys so much for stopping back by. Again, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the like and subscribe button, subscribe to the Instagram, follow your boy, make sure to keep up with everything. I'll see you guys later. I love you guys. Let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom _ F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.